Welcome to NRI Matters. Today we have with us Ameet Patel, who is a chartered accountant by profession, and he's here to take the frequently asked questions from the NRI community. And one of the most frequently asked questions, Ameet, is that what are the tax implications for an NRI when he has to sell a property, an immovable property?
The sale of an immovable property would attract capital gains in the hands of the seller, whether he is a non-resident Indian or a resident Indian. And the taxation of the capital gains would depend on whether the property has been held by the seller for more than 36 months prior to the date of sale or less than 36 months. So if it is held for more than 36 months, then it would result in a long-term capital gains. If it is held for 36 months or less, it would result in short-term capital gains. And if it is short-term capital gains, then the computation of the capital gains is very simple. It is the sale price minus the cost minus the expenses incurred in connection with the transfer, and whatever remains is the profit, which we normally would call a book profit or just a simple profit, and that income would form part of the normal income of the taxpayer. And whatever is the slab rate applicable to the non-NRI or to the resident Indian on the total income, which would include the short-term capital gains, that tax needs to be paid. On the other hand, if it is a long-term capital gains, then there are a couple of beneficial provisions which are available for the long-term capital gains. The capital gain has to be computed after indexing the cost of acquisition. So you get benefit of the several years for which the property has been held. So the cost can be indexed. And the second is that the indexed gain which is arrived at would be taxed at a nominal or a beneficial rate of 20% as compared to the higher rate of 30%, which is the highest marginal tax rate applicable to the top slab. So these two are the basic characteristics of the taxation of long-term capital gains from immovable property, which applies whether it is to a resident or to a non-resident.